In this video, I'm going to show you how to create these wire bezel settings. This simple setting is a great way to add accent stones to a piece. This same technique is what I use to add almost all of the accents in this piece. The tools that we'll need for this project are a ruler, wire cutters, chain nose pliers, and round tipped pliers. I do have a few extra tools that aren't really necessary but might make it a little easier for you as well. We'll talk about those a little bit later on in the video. The first thing that we'll need to do is cut 6 inches of 20 gauge round wire. To make it a little easier to see, I'm using a larger stone for this project. The first thing that we'll need to do is take our round wire and wrap it around our round tipped pliers. One complete rotation at approximately the same width as our stone. I want to pause here to add a few extra tools that I don't really use but may make it easier for you to be a little bit more precise. You can use a caliper to find the width of your stone on your pliers, about there, and mark it with a brush pen or any other sort of washable marker will work. That'll give you a temporary mark on your tool for where to wrap the wire around for the approximate width of your stone. And we have one full rotation around the tips of the pliers. So we want to take the shorter end of our wire and wrap it around, going down the length of the pliers. That'll create a cone, almost like a spring. It'll get smaller as it goes down. And now that we have the setting preformed, flatten that spring till it gives you this shape. That'll be the perfect seat for our stone to sit in. To set the stone, I like to peel the first layer away from the bottom 2 layers and place the stone with the culet down into the bottom of your spring. And very carefully fold the top piece back over. Now you want to make sure that the full circumference of the stone is covered by the wire at this point. To tighten it, you can pull it in its direction to make the setting face a little bit smaller. Lastly, I just take my chain nose pliers and I like to bend 90 degrees into that bottom ending piece. That way I can tie it off onto the frame of my piece and not worry about it loosening. And there we go. A finished set stone in its little bezel, ready to be connected to any piece.